I just press button S. If I want to sell, does the stop loss, it automatically calculates the lot size. By default, the entry line is set to follow the market price, but you can see I put it further and we have less lots. I put it closer to the entry price and the lot size is now a lot higher. And then just to execute the trade, I just press the button X on my keyboard and we are in a trade just like that. Then here's settings. And if I want to go open a buy position, I just press the button B. Again, by default, it's following the market price. But if I uncheck this follow price button, you can see now I can set the trade anywhere. Here, limit buy, here, buy stop, and also adjust the stop loss and take profit levels. Here I can adjust the risk to reward 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 1. Here I can also manually increase the percentage that we are risking. Here also the lot size, up and down, less lots. Then we can take off the TP line from the screen, also the stop loss line if we don't want it. And here is the order button, but we can just press the button X, that's it, close for close, or button C for closing. Here are the options. Here you can set the default risk percentage. By default it's 1. Default risk to reward, by default it's 2. Then here colors, if we want to follow price or not. Here we can set up the default break-even stop loss. By default it's 20 pips, so when the price moves 20 pips, the stop loss moves to break even, and it's also visible here on the chart in the middle. Here we lock in by default 1 pip. Here risk management, what happens when the price reaches 1-to-1 risk to reward. Here we have it false to take partials, but we can put it true, and what percentage is going to be taken off. By default 50%. And if we want to have also the stop loss moved to break even, by default it's true. Here we have other options. This is the hotkey options. If we press Shift 1, we will go to buy, and if we press Shift 2, we will sell. This is the default lot size that we will be using. You can put it to 1 lot, and now when you press Shift 1, 1 lot will be entered in buy position, locking pips, by default 1 pip. And here we have trend lines. You can be either alerted on a touch of a trend line, or you can be stopped by a stop loss or by take profit. Let me demonstrate. We take a trend line, for example like this, and if we name it as L, then the moment the price touches the trend line, the trades are closed. The same we can do for a take profit trend line. For example, let's say we want to have a take profit over here. We name it TP, and the moment the price touches this trend line, the trade is going to be closed as a take profit. My expert advisor also comes with a clock in the middle of the screen. Then we can nicely see what's the current spread in the upper right hand corner, and then in the lower right hand corner we have the candle closing price countdown.